They didn't seem to love it, but it wasn't a steep sell-off. So what's going on here?
Yeah, so Sandra, trying to forecast Federal Reserve action and interpreting Fed speak is really an art form on its own on Wall Street, and really trying to figure out what the central bank is going to do in order to tackle sky-high inflation is a main reason that U.S. stock markets have had the worst start to a new year in 90 years, and traders are really on edge, so the central bank will have to get a lot more aggressive when it comes to raising interest rates. For now, though, you heard the Federal Reserve keeping interest rates on hold for now, close to zero. They are dialing back on stimulus by cutting monthly bond purchases down to $30 billion each month and signaling, as you mentioned, that interest rates will be going up in a few months.
I would say that the committee is of a mind to raise the federal funds rate at the March meeting, assuming that conditions are appropriate for doing so. We have our eyes on the risks, particularly around the world, but we do expect some softening in the economy from Omicron.
So that's the clearest indication yet from the Federal Reserve that interest rates will be going up in the springtime. And that was enough to start moving Treasury yields higher, which then moves stocks lower. And all three U.S. stock indices falling during the Jerome Powell press conference. And that reversed a sharp rally, which was the best of the year so far heading into that press conference. And that's really a continuation of the volatile trading action that we've seen so far this week, with stock markets swinging wildly from sharp losses to gains, and also vice versa, like today. Now, Microsoft is a great example of that up and down trade. America's second biggest company, managing, though, to keep some of its rally after predicting faster growth. You have Tesla reporting this hour, and then tomorrow we have Apple issuing its report card. Sandra?
Market's always unpredictable, extremely unpredictable in the trading days we've seen so far this week. All right, quite a month it's been for the U.S. stock market. Susan Lee, thank you. Now to the showdown with